All right, hi, I'm Austin with Pink Dumpster Company. We just wrapped up 1662 Hanson Avenue on a trash out and demo. As you can see here, you know, it was demoed to the studs and the project went really well. Hi, I'm Austin Berlman. I'm here with Pink Dumpster Company with Dave here. You know, just wrapping up 1662 Hanson Avenue. And, you know, the project went really well. You know, I think, Dave, do you think any mishaps or?
No, I'm really pleased with what they accomplished. This was a tremendous amount of work, and in 4 days, 3.5, they did it all. And you see that? That's a finger I didn't have to lift. So I'm really pleased. I'm pleased with what they accomplished given the scope of the project, and everything is the way I want it.
Awesome. Well, I'm really glad that we could help you out, and we look forward to working with you again.
Okay, in this COVID world, we do the elbow bump.
And we elbow bump.